Well, hi everyone, it's Friday, so it's that time again, ready for another Friday forfeit challenge. You ready for this?
Yes.
Today we have got Pro Cycling Trumps Legends 2. I'm not being paid to do this, but this is the game we're playing today. Literally just opening this for the first time. So this, Vicky, is essentially like that world famous Trumps game that I can't name because it's a brand name. And each cyclist is going to have various numbers next to a skill or an achievement or an ability.
Okay.
And whoever wins a point for themselves. We're not going to use the whole pack because we'll be here until Easter, but we're going to use 10 cards, 5 each, and every time you lose 2 in a row or together, then you get a squirt from the other person. And overall loser gets buckets, but they're warm today because I'm in a good mood.
Are they warm?
They are, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so that's nothing. That's nothing. Here we go, right. We'll just do one at a time. Right then, so
Okay.
pick up your card, hence the glasses, nice.
Hence the glasses, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go for time trial of 96. This is Eddie Merckx. Who have you got?
Robert Miller.
The Robert Miller.
The Robert Miller.
Scotland, who is now Pippa York. Okay,
Ah,
so
yeah.
I've got 96. What have you got for time trial?
80.
80. Oh, so that's 1 to me and a squirt for you. Are you ready for this?
Oh, are we squirting every time?
Oh no, it's every 2 wins, isn't it?
Hey, you're changing the rules.
No, I'm not, I promise. Wow, that was close. Okay. Winner gets to go again, 'cause it's my game. I'm going to go with, I don't know. I'm going to go time trial again at 88.
Oh, you're just joking. You're just
What have you got?
62.
And that's Jean-Pierre Monser. Okay, so, wow, I've done it. Okay, let's go for this one, because this is opened. It's nice and warm. Are you ready?
No, what are we doing?
I'm going to squirt you. So it's 1 squirt at the bottle.
Okay, that's
Okay.
a long squirt.
Well, that was 1 squirt. Look, if I use up that much. Okay, so...
I was not dressed to get wet today. I did not realise this was part of the plan.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
How about you go first this time?
I'm going to go with time trials again.
Yep.
And I'm going to go a 90.
Okay. Who have you got? Abraham Olano. I've got Phil Anderson. I've got 83. So that's a
Okay.
point. That's a point for
win.
you. That's a win for you. Okay, we're doing it again. I was getting ready for you to squirt me again. I'm getting this wrong. Okay. I've got Jerry Netterman. Who have you got?
Michelle.
Scarponi. Michelle Scarponi. Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
You go again.
GC. What's that mean?
That is. I don't know.
GC 82. Whatever it was.
Oh, mine's 77.
Oh.
Oh no. Okay. There we go then.
I think that was a squirt then, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
that was yours.
Yeah.
Okay. That was far more coverage than my one.
That's fine. That was 1 squirt.
Okay.
1 squirt. How many of these are we doing?
A few more. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, sprint. I've got
Okay.
Rudy Altig. Who have you got?
Charlie Motet.
Okay. I'm going to go for 90 on the sprint.
Are you cheating? Are you looking at them cards?
No, 90. It's obviously a high number, isn't it? If it's out
I'm
of
gonna go
100.
like this next time. Number 68.
Oh, that sucks. Okay, so that's another one to me. I don't know what you think, but I'm quite liking this game.
I'm not.
Okay, GC 90, and this is Greg LeMond.
Oh,
He's
for
a legend, Greg LeMond.
Sake.
90, what have you got? Oh, Alexander Kristoff.
59.
59, oh wow, he's not very good on the GC.
Fine. What is GC?
I don't know, Gemma Collins. Okay, are you ready for this?
No.
That was a lot of squirting on this
No,
one.
it's 1 squirt.
And I leaned back, so I think you're better to lean back as well.
No, but it's cold.
Yeah. Okay, we said 10 cards.
Should we not do this in the summer
2,
next
3,
time?
4, 5, 6. We've kind of, well, there's a lot more bottles to use, isn't there? Let's go for you. You can go first this time. We'll just keep going until we get bored. Okay, what are you going to have?
I'm quite close.
Okay, who have you got?
Oh, I can't say that.
Jacques Anquetel. I've got Fausto Coppi. Okay, who are you going to go for? Or what are you going to go for?
I'm going GC.
Okay, what is it?
I'm going to win with this one. He's on it.
Yeah.
97.
96. Mate, that was so close. So you
That's
have
mine.
you have so done that. Okay. And go again.
In my head, every time I think, I need to look at the other ones to see what's high and low, and every time I don't.
I've got Miguel Indurain. You've got Roger de Vlaminck. Good pronunciation, Matt.
1 day races.
Okay. What have you got?
That's high. 97.
70. Seriously. Okay.
So I think that's like 2 squirts each then, isn't it?
Yeah, it is 2 squirts each.
So this is like...
Those are definitely lasting longer than mine.
They're not. It's honestly 1 squirt.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm feeling a bit wet.
Okay. Should we do 2
Is
more?
that level?
It is level. So should we do... We can either go 1 more and find an outright winner, or we just call it a draw and do a bucket each.
No. We've got to have a winner. I'm not getting wet. I keep getting wet.
Okay. Okay. This is for me to go first then this time. Climbing 97. This is Marco Pantani. Climbing 97. What have you got? Judging by your face, it looks like you've got less than that.
Sean Kelly.
82. That's rubbish. Okay, very good. Oh, there we go. We've got 2 again. So it's time for a squirt, isn't it?
No, that was 1 because I just
Oh, is that
squirted.
from earlier?
You are serious cheating. Even though you've got bad memory.
I think it's a bit of both. Climbing. Oh, was it stage wins? Who have you got?
Bernard Hinault.
Okay. Okay.
Hinault. Maybe.
Okay, I'm going to go GC.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. Because I think that's going to be you.
Did you look at my card?
I promise you, I can't see that well. I'm going to go time trial 75.
94.
God.
That's 1 each.
Yeah, it is 1 each. So here we go. Do we make this a decider then?
Yeah.
We've got lots of squirty things left
Yeah,
over.
but I had not realised the bucket was in part of this little challenge that we were doing.
Oh,
So
okay. Okay. Should we do best of 3?
no.
Okay.
Is it my go?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going with
I've got Andrea Taffy, who is a absolute legend.
Jakey.
So you know. What have you got?
Not a legend.
Alex Zule. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to go with GC.
Okay.
It looks like it's the best one. Probably isn't, but where do I go climbing? Well, how did the other climbing fare? No, let's go sprint. Let's go GC.
Yep.
86.
88. I was
I'm
ready
having
at
a look.
60.
60? Yes!
Oh.
Oh, that's a result.
Okay. No offence, Andrea, but you're rubbish.
Which means, guys, and I'm really happy about this,
Oh my god.
I don't get wet. Well,
You
I
can
am
let me
wet.
squirt you at least a bit more with those. Spent loads
No.
of time getting this ready.
Absolutely not. That's
Okay.
like for another viewing. So,
Oh my gosh.
should we move the cards out the way?
Yeah. What I was actually going to say, I'm not going to say it.
What were you going to say?
I was going to say, no, I won't even say it. I'll say it after you've done it.
Okay. We do.
They are nice and warm today.
Okay.
This better be a recording because I'm not doing this again.
Oh, I just dropped half of it.
Oh, that's the result.
Here we go.
Was not
You ready?
expecting it. Yes.
There you go.
That was rather wet.
Yeah.
There is another one to come.
You're going to get really wet.
Well, I can't get much wetter, can I? Let's be honest. Unless you want to take that bucket.
No, you're okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
We're all done.
Oh, that so sucks. This is my game as well. You're meant to win your own games. Okay, that is it for another Friday forfeit challenge. Remember, we're trying to get to a mass number of subscribers, and if we do, for Vicky's birthday, in about 3 weeks to go now, we are going to have a special forfeit challenge, which won't be water. It might involve water, but it will also involve party food, namely birthday cake and maybe other things too.
What,
So,
like as in like jelly and things?
what would you have for a party food? Jelly? Custard?
Oh.
So,
I like the water again now.
but we need the subscribers first, otherwise I think she'll
I'm
take
not
some
having it,
convincing.
no.
Yeah, brilliant. Anyway, we'll leave that with you. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the bike repair videos as well. Have a great day, great weekend, and we'll see you next Friday.